Okay, so you've finished your track, it's all working, everything's nice, you've adjusted it, you're happy with it basically. Deviation's good and you want to export it. So we go to 3D and you go to export project and you'll have multiple choices and it's up to you what you want to do it as. I'm going to do it as Maya because that's what I use, Maya. So I'm going to select Maya and it's going to come up with this window. So it doesn't do the same export as it was before. It's the Python export and it will do it for the shelf in Maya. So I'm just going to go browse and I'm just going to call this can demo. Click OK. And start frames at 1001. If it doesn't say that, basically this needs to be the same frame as your image sequence. So this needs to match the first frame of your image sequence, which you can see here it's 1001. But they also have this match current camera start frame, which will say values of blah, blah, blah is 1 and start is 1,000 different. Attention to this piece. Would you like to continue and all that? And you want to use start frame as 1, which is all good. So that's all worked. We want to change our export to sequence cameras only because we don't need that camera. That's just for our lens grid. And that's pretty much it. You just click OK and it will pop up with this window basically saying you can download the 3D shelf and import it that way, or just import it into Maya manually through the Python script. I do it that way because I can't be bothered to do the shelf, but you can if you want. That's pretty much it for exporting to Maya. So we'll see you in the next one.